Hey guys, my name is Anthony's Hess Truck. So today here, I'm reviewing something really cute. Today, I'm reviewing this my pillow plush, aka my plush Hess toy truck. Meet this, and this is a 2022 my plus Hess truck Choo train. So let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. So today here, I'm reviewing this adorable my plush Hess toy truck and known as a Choo train from 2022. And let's get started with these details. So let's start off with the front side of the train. You can see the Hess logo on the bumper of the train, and the headlights, and the mouth, and this amazing bubbly nose. It's come from the light, and from the hood you can see also a Hess logo, a red button known as a red dot right here on exhaust, and there's eyes on the front, and also those lights right there, and the Hess logo on the top on the train, and there's some light blue windows and some handles and all the details from the train. And from the wheels you can see the H logo from the big wheel and those two little wheels as well. And the rims from this train, it's actually like a bit more red or something, and also from the other side of a train as well. And for the back side you can see the Hess logo on the door, including the light blue windows, and little line and little main line on detail. I'm sorry about that. And a Hess logo right over there, and including that as well. Like it says Hess 2021. I mean 22. God darn it. Sorry about that. And the back of the lights as well. And so these are the details from this train. So let's start off with those lights. So guys, the lights are really worked, and they look really shining up, and including the back of the train, and also the front and exhaust, and lights as to so they have 3 songs, including this.
I'll be coming round the mountain when I come. I'll be coming round the mountain when I come. I'll be coming round the mountain. I'll be coming round the mountain now.
And this.
I've been working on the railroad all the live long day.
And also that one, the last one.
I'll be coming round.
Oh, come on, that's the same one? Never mind. So that's for my review. So, and also for my hiatus and my 4-month break, I'm truly sorry, guys. I did not make a Hess review for around 4 months ago. It's because I need a break for this, and I felt really tired and taking a break, and sometimes I remember a couple days ago I made a post about it, and I decided to have a delay, and finally I'm back, and so what, and so never mind. So that's all my video today. Subscribe my channel and click comment below. So I'll be making Hess reviews next time or something like that. So anyways, bye guys.